Well, it's 5 o'clock. Shall we call the meeting to order?
Yes, please.
Okay, this is a special meeting of the Cumbres Toltec Seating Railroad Commission, Wednesday, April 26th at 1700. Can I get a roll call, please?
Mark is here.
Scott is here.
Billy's here. Bill is muted.
Bill Lock, New Mexico here. Sorry.
Can I get a motion to approve the agenda as presented?
I make that motion.
I second.
Motion made and seconded. Approval of agenda. Can I get a motion to discuss new business, approve, disapprove employment agreement for CTO LLC president?
So moved.
Moved
Second.
to approve the employment agreement.
Do we have any discussion?
Just a comment on it, and this agreement is for reimbursing Scott for his expenses. And that's something that we do for the commissioners and many other people who work for free, but also our paid staff as well. So it's pretty straightforward to me. We greatly appreciate the fact that Scott is volunteering to work here. It's not fair to make him volunteer and pay for his expenses.
So agreed.
Yeah, we really appreciate all that Scott is doing for us and the sacrifices that he's making and everything. So we really appreciate it, Scott.
Thank you.
And so Scott,
go ahead.
Scott's going to recuse himself, I trust.
Yes, I'm going to recuse myself from the rest of the discussion.
Is there need for additional discussion? The only thing I want to correct, Mark, I want to correct you. It's not entirely reimbursement. There is a large stipend of salary contained in this agreement of $1 per year.
Yes, I'm sorry. It's the reimbursement for incurred expenses plus $1. And for clarification for those listening in, that $1 is so that Scott will qualify for workers' comp. And we have worked with our agent and the carrier on how that will work.
I do not feel there's a need for an executive session, and I'm prepared to vote if that's the will of the commission.
I agree with that.
Can I get a roll call, Kim?
Actually, Billy, at this point, you need a motion to approve or disapprove. Your motion before was just to discuss. You need to approve or disapprove.
Okay, can I get a motion to approve or disapprove this agreement?
So moved.
I thought that's what my motion was, but second.
Your motion was to discuss it, and then we have a motion and a second to approve this agreement. Can I get a roll call, please?
Mark says yes.
Bill says yes.
Billy says yes.
Scott abstains.
Let the record reflect that this motion does pass. Do we have any old business? Do we have
Not
an
that I'm
executive,
aware of.
any need for an executive session?
Not in my opinion.
Can I get a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
So move.
Second?
Either Bill or I second.
Okay. Moved and
It's okay.
seconded. Special commission meeting is adjourned at 17:05.
And
Thank-
thanks everybody for being here.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.